In this video we test the repeatability of the SourceRabbit D16 Tool Setter. The test was done by performing a tool change sequence. During the tool change, the controller uses the tool setter in order to measure the tool's length. The start position of the CNC machine tool is set to the 0 point of the dial indicator, so any deviation measured when returning the tool onto the dial indicator will be equal to the repeatability error of the D16 Tool Setter. To start the test, we preload the dial indicator until it reaches 0. At this point the indicator is showing absolute 0 and we are now ready to start the change tool sequence. The machine will now measure the current tool's length and will return back to the start position. Now we change the tool with the following and we let the machine measure the new tool's length. The controller is now measuring the second tool's length. Tool change sequence completed. As you can see, the repeatability error of the tool setter is less than 0.01 millimeters.